Here we have a World War II era Lee Enfield No. 4 303 British rifle cartridge. This is a dummy round, or an inert round, used for training purposes, practice teaching the troops how to load, unload the rifle. Armorers often carried some of these rounds to test the functioning of rifles that they worked on or repaired. This example has got some markings here. These are the head stamp markings, RL with a broad arrow. I believe this particular round to be of British origin versus Australian or Canadian or another Commonwealth country. So just a nice example of a World War II era 303 practice round.